Allow me to introduce myself. I am Jarvis, a virtual artificial intelligence.
Opening Microsoft Team. Joining meeting.
Sa may bahay ang aming bati. Merry Christmas, maluwalhati. Ang pag-ibig, pagsanaghari. Araw-araw ay magiging Pasko lagi. Ang sahipo ng pagparito. Hihingi po ng aginaldo. Kung sakaling kami permisyo, pasensya na kayo kami namamasko. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Namamasko po. Namamasko po. Namamasko po. Wala. Bigla ng gabi, ang lahat ay kaya-saya. Nagluto ang natin ng manok na tinola. Sa bahay ng kuya ay nangitunan pa. Ang bawat tahanan may handang iba't iba. Tayo ng genyo, magsalo na tayo. Meron na tayong tinapay at keso. Di ba Noche Buena sa gabing ito? At bukas ay araw ng Pasko. Tayo na genyo, magsalo na tayo. Meron na tayong tinapay at keso. Di ba Noche Buena sa gabing ito? At bukas ay araw ng Pasko. You better not cry. You better not pout and tell me why. Santa Claus is coming to town. He's checking it twice. He's gonna find out who's naughty or nice. Santa Claus is coming to town. Sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. He knows if you've been bad or good, so be good for goodness sake. So, you better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout and tell me why. Santa Claus is coming to town. Watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. Sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. He knows if you've been bad or good, so be good for goodness sake. So, better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout and tell me why. Santa Claus is coming to town. Ho, 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 ho. Merry Christmas. Thank you, thank you, thank you very much, thank you. Merry Christmas everyone from grade 3A.